Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today I want to show you a really cool device that was sent out to me to check out. Guys, this is a 110,000 RPM hair dryer. We're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box. And before you comment, Rome, but you have no hair. Yes, for a long time I was a hairstylist. So I'm going to first unbox this, show you guys everything that comes in the box, and then you'll probably get a demo of how powerful and efficient this hair dryer is. You guys ready? You ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box. All right, so the first thing that we're greeted with is our little user manual. This is going to kind of walk you through the different voltages, how to use this, if there's any warnings that you need to be aware of. Also, all the different buttons on the dryer, how to utilize those. It does come with a diffuser, as you guys can see here, which is really nice, especially for curly hair. This is going to be a win. It comes with this additional attachment. And those who are using this for blow drying your hair with brushes and combs and things like that, that's what this will be used for. Now here is the actual hair dryer. As you guys can see, it has a standard plug. Let's go ahead and pull this little plastic tab off. Yep, really nice. You have your reset and your test button right here built into the plug, which is really nice. On the back here, you have your two control buttons. You have your additional buttons here on the front. These are going to be for increasing or decreasing the amount of power. Let's go ahead and take this little piece of plastic off here. All right, there's the head of the dryer. These just magnetically connect onto the dryer like so. I think that is super cool, very efficient. All right, so let's test this guy out and see exactly what it can do. Now, of course, as I mentioned before, one of the cool things about this is that it has over 110,000 RPMs. Your airflow setting, you're going to control with this little button right here. Okay. For temperature increase and decrease, it's going to be these two buttons here. If you turn to the back and look at these buttons back here, you have your, this is a quick little temperature control here as well. And this button up here at the top is your on and off switch. Just pop that little guy off. This also comes with a little piece of tape on here. You want to remove that as well. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let's go ahead and power this guy up and give it a test run. All right, guys, so hopefully this little video has been helpful when it comes to showing you guys some of the cool accessories that come along with this hair dryer, demonstrating the power output of this hair dryer as well. I think this is a very sleek design. This would be perfect for your home, for travel, and even for somewhat of a professional application as well. So definitely check this out. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.